Does this mean we're married now?
What's up, guys? It's Ava, and I'm currently here with Brent!
Hola! Brent, Ava, together.
Hashtag Brava.
Ooh, hashtag brave. Okay, alright.
There's like Marvel, and then there's like DC.
And then there's Brava.
For today's video, we are doing another High School U versus Child U video, but we are doing today High School U versus Child U relationships.
Ooh! I've had many relationships when I was little.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Were you a player?
I was a player in middle school.
Did you break hearts?
A little bit. You know, I had like 4 girlfriends within a span of like a month in middle school.
You guys have asked for this video so much, so we thought that we would do it together because, you know, what better person to have a high school relationship with and a child relationship with?
Yeah, that's
Because he'll break your heart. Also, we did a video on Brent's channel, so after you watch this video, be sure to head over to Brent's channel and subscribe and watch it because we did a really good video on Brent's channel. And if you relate to this video in any way, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, give it a big thumbs up, and let your mom know that you like this video because your mom's cool. Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's get into the video. High School U versus Child U relationships.
Would you like to dance with me?
I don't know, I've never danced before with a boy. Sure.
Okay. Okay, right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Another one.
I don't know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked, naked, naked. I wanna.
Hi Ava, I got you a bear, I got you chocolates, and I got you a card that says, I like you, be my bae.
Of course.
Does this mean we're married now? Oh, okay. When do we have first child? Hey, babe! Happy birthday! I got you these flowers.
Oh my god, thank you.
Oh, who got you all this stuff? Oh, Chanel? Cartier? Headphones? What? Where'd you get this?
You did.
I got you this?
Yeah, well, at least Twitter thinks so.
Oh,
Now here, take these roses and pretend like you want them to look sexier. Sexy. Okay, now look like you're just an average boyfriend that just like, you know, splurged on his girlfriend. Yeah, you're lonely, you're average. You have a nice boyfriend.
Okay.
You don't know you're about to be Twitter famous.
Alright class, everyone pick a partner.
I pick, Valerie.
Valerie, what? Valerie? I can't You disrespected me for the last time, Mr. Boy.
Oh, don't leave. No, we want you here. No. Valerie, come over here. Take a seat. Come on, let's go.
Hey, babe, what you doing?
Nothing. Just, you know, on Instagram.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, I'm getting a call. Hello?
Oh my god, Ava, Brent just liked Valerie's photo on Instagram.
Are you serious?
Literally just
He's
look
over here.
up
Are
right
you?
now.
Oh.
Get him, girl.
You think you can cheat on me? You think you can like another person's Instagram? I'm done with you. Get out of my house.
My name is Christiana. What's your name?
My name is Wizard.
Is that your kid over there?
Yeah, that one's mine.
Oh, so
yeah.
cute.
Is that what, yours?
That's mine.
Playing with yours? Oh.
Yeah. They're so cute together.
Yeah.
Do you want to kiss?
Okay.
Ah!
Yeah, I read in the Woman's Digest that if you neuter your children, they're less likely to get, physical.
Lemonade. It was nice meeting you, honey.
So nice meeting you. Did you want to exchange phone numbers?
Sure, yeah. Might as well get your,
Okay,
I
that's
like
good.
you.
Me too. Bye.
Bye.
Do you live up the street?
I live, two houses down from Jana.
Oh, wow. Jana.
Yeah, do you know Jana?
Yeah, she took my kids out one day and they came back with lice.
Okay.
Well, okay, I'll see you around.
Okay,
Okay,
bye.
come on, little Ava. Come on, let's go home now.
I can't believe it. Your mom let us have the house to ourselves.
I know, it's so weird. We're good.
Is that your mom?
Brent, what are you talking about? There's literally nobody there. We're fine.
I swear, she's right there.
Okay, Brent, we are finally alone right now. Why don't we just enjoy it?
Oh, joyous. Okay.
Hey, Brent, can I talk to you for a second?
Yeah, what is it?
I have a crush on you.
Oh, I don't. I think you're ugly, and I don't like you at all. You smell like Cheetos and poop.
That makes sense.
I hope you understand.
I understand.
Okay. I don't like you. You're ugly.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Man, I really don't like her.
Hey, Brent, can we talk? I've been thinking about it all day, and I just want to be honest with you. I like you, and I've been sensing that you might feel the same way too. I don't know, just wondering.
Whoa. Whoa. What's this?
Send. What's he saying?
Okay, alright. Dear Ava, you have been a loyal friend of mine, and it's come to a surprise that you have caught feelings, okay? While our time together has been
Enriching for both parties, I respectfully decline your request for actively becoming more than friends. Stay in touch, Brent.
your friend. Okay. Whew, that was a close one.
LOL, it was just a prank, Brent. Jessica totally dared me to say that I liked you. Why would I ever even like you? We were just friends.
What? A prank? Do I actually like her? Dear Ava, I might have caught some feelings.
So that is it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite part of being a teen is or your favorite part of being a child.
I just turned 20. Yeah, just want to make
Did
sure
I miss
everyone
your
knows.
birthday?
Yeah, you didn't say happy birthday to me.
Wait, when was your birthday?
January 9th.
Brent, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, I was waiting for a text message, or I was waiting for a phone call, or even just like an Instagram comment.
I didn't even see it on Twitter. Like,
Yeah, no, it wasn't a big deal. Like, it really wasn't. Like,
Happy belated birthday, Brent.
Yeah. If anyone feels bad, just leave a happy birthday comment in the comments below.
Yeah. Happy birthday to Brent. Belated.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Hopefully the comments will make up for.
Yeah, hopefully.
Please help me.
Yeah.
If you haven't already, be sure to hit subscribe to this channel, and if you're already subscribed, click the notification bell so you get updated when I upload. And also, we did a video on Brent's channel, so head over right now and watch his video because it's really good. So,
Yeah! Woohoo!
football dance.
The football dance. We're back to the football dance.
And that is it for this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!
You can touch smooth me.
Go low like this. You have to be like.
Wait, I got this.
And then
Wait,
you go.